how to factory reset Windows 11. So basically, if you want to factory reset your Windows 11 computer, you have to first of all open up settings. Once you open up settings, this is the type of interface you will see, where on the left hand side, you want to simply go to the option called System. Once you go to System, you want to simply scroll down to the very bottom until you find an option that says Recovery. You can see it says Reset, Advanced Startup, or Go Back. So simply go to Recovery, and here you'll find an option that says Reset this PC. So you just have to click on the Reset this PC button here. Now it'll ask you to choose an option to either keep your files or to remove everything, depending upon which one you want to do. Factory resetting means you want to click on remove everything, but just make sure that you have backed up your existing files as well. Once you click on remove everything and reset it, this should definitely help you solve and factory reset your computer. This will take some time, so make sure your computer is also plugged into a charger. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.